it's Katie with Kansas Hydrographics. We are here to show you the Aliens 2 pattern. This is quite a bit different from the Aliens 1. This is a really large pattern. Well, not super large, but I'd say the alien heads are probably about 3 inches. But it's got a neat little galaxy background to it, so I would definitely play with your base coat options. I wouldn't really use white. Synergy green metallic would look super cool. You could use any of our red patterns, but any of our green patterns would look cool. We have several different shades of green that would look good with that. But again, it is a really big pattern, so it's not going to be best demonstrated on a speed shape, but it's what we got for you. So. And that is Aliens 2. It could be a frustrating pattern because it does almost look like it's the Activator, but as I showed you before, that is like your galaxy looking faded, speckled. So that would look really good on definitely a green background, but I mean, personal preference, whatever you like. That's a good pattern. I like it. That should be in the miscellaneous section with Aliens 1. That's at kansashydrographics.com. Thank you guys. We'll see you next time.